dia bujo ala gbagbaba. Mi la Ghana du comme fia mi va na ko ma samu. Mi moyo tafra mi asroku mi agbo. Regio chi mi aji. Mi makpo na matoa. La gbama. Wo mom blan yara ka pom na mi.
Yo, me na kate. Kama ba sa sata ko nyama la du jiva do rashiero. Mi avio mi do suku ha agama li mi akpo yi akona akasuku fi na mi avio. Mi ba shi tafo kata agba na yira shishia na la gar.
To bay! Bay! Bay!
Let us all unite to uphold and make and great and strong.
Oh,
We are all involved. We are all involved. We are all involved. We're building a motherland. We are all involved. We are all involved. All involved in building a motherland. Hey!
it's not going to be fair to us.
No!
It's not going to be fair to us.
No!
We also not Ghanaian.
No!
We are Ghanaians.
No!
Volta territory not part of Ghana.
Yes!
Indeed, we are also Ghanaians.
Yes!
They are fighting for our freedom.
We need.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Fellow Ghanaians, we, the concerned youth of Southern Volta, stand before you today to express our deepest concern and frustrations over the actions and attitude of Dr. Opoku Prempeh, popularly known as Napo, towards the good people of the Volta region. Under his leadership as the Minister of Education, Napo demonstrated clear disdain for our people by transferring all Voltarians from the Ministry of Education. His actions speak volumes about the deep-seated hatred he harbors for the Ewes people. But his disregard for us didn't stop there. When over 36,000 individuals were displaced due to the VRA spillage, a disaster that devastated families and homes, Dr. Opoku Prempeh remained silent. He did not offer a single word of sympathy or humility to those suffering.
MPP, no way.
His neglect of the Volta River Authority flood victims is a glaring sign of his personal dislike for the people of the Volta region. And then there was the issue of Keta, Angloga, and Ketu South self-defense project. When our livelihood and properties were at risk due to the destructive tidal waves, Napo actively worked against the sea defense project. He even went as far as to caution his own finance minister against including it in the 2018 budget. Napo vowed to lead a demonstration if the project was funded, showing a complete lack of empathy and concern for the safety and welfare of our community. But perhaps one of his most harmful actions was his wicked attempt to introduce comprehensive sexuality education into our basic school curriculum, disguising it as a way to educate. It was nothing more than an insidious plot to corrupt our moral society, especially targeting our innocent children with pro-LGBTQ plus ideologies. This was a direct attack on the value we hold dear in our society. Let us not forget Napo's dangerous stance on illegal mining, or galamsey, which has ravaged our forests, water bodies, and environment. Despite this national disaster threatening the very core of our livelihood, he shamelessly declared on a campaign platform that he will personally buy excavators for illegal mining if he becomes the vice president of Ghana. How can such a person be trusted with leadership when he openly supports the destruction of our natural resources? Dr. Opoku Prempeh is a man driven by tribalism. His actions have shown time and again that if he were ever given the opportunity to lead as a vice president, he would be a traitor or a threat to the development of the Volta region and a threat to the progress of Angloland, an entire nation as Ghana. Napo, as a grandson of Osetutu II, Asantehene of the Ashanti Kingdom in Ghana, it contrasts the action of his grandfather, Osetutu, who is known for his effort to unify Ghana by fostering peace and cooperation among various ethnic groups and kingdoms. Asantehene Osetutu II has been widely respected for promoting national unity, transiting tribal differences, and advocating for peaceful coexistence of all Ghanaians. In contrast, Napo, as depicted in the statement, is criticized for supposedly engaging in a divisive behavior, using tribal affiliation to fragment rather than unite. Such actions are seen as counterproductive and harmful to the spirit of unity that leaders like his grandfather have worked so hard to cultivate. In conclusion, we call on the good people of Ghana to recognize the danger Napo represents, not just to the Volta region, but to the unity and progress of our entire nation. We urge all Ghanaians to vote out the MPP in upcoming election so that the Volta region can finally receive its fair share of the national cake and drive under a new government that values all regions equally. Thank you very much for coming. God bless our homeland Ghana and make Volta great and strong once again. Thank you very much.
Arise, Ghana youth,
For your country, the nation
demands your devotion. We are all involved in building a motherland. We are all involved. We are all involved. We are all involved in building a motherland. So,
Yo, me na nakate. Kama ba se sata ko nyama la du jiva do rashiero. Mi avio mi do suku ha agama li mi akpo yi akona akasuku fi na mi avio. Mi ba shi chafo kata gbe na yira chifia na le garachi. O de 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 100 minutes ha me na ka flaga la chimu. Na gbo ha fi na dire la ha zudo. Agama la du komu. Kama se se na mi avio. Pote ha ta fra chika fa ojima. Nchie mu danya gbo oji. Chiche shoga ba nyong na do nya da gole ke mi oga cha jiji. Numa onya ku ke gara fura ne mi ala ka gbagbaje. Mi ajoro ko ba chi podomi. O mo ko suku no yi mo podo. O ba zuna no ba la podomi. Ita mi ekukura na jiru ya ba na jagbagba. Fie ochuo na ai mi ga hiani. Nya nyere da ja ma ga hiani MPP. Nya ba hiana du jiru ma to biara ko ga ba Ghana em niyo. Anwo to nya are mo ba nya mi la Ghana du ko mu kan chi te nya mi la Ghana olo. Mi ora ma nya ma gbato mi nyo mi ha mi akodam na o ame yo mo lo ba nka la ko nko ayo mi na po na mlo nyi za dangba choro ki wunye a cho ga ba Ghana du ko na poro ki jinyo nya ba ji o chiaran na za do chichi le na mlo yin ko ma ha ata ma bu ma chi na do lo amo le za me jo mo do ka ko o wa su sheshio afo gbam na nkejo ta nya ma kukura na jiri ro ba na ja shara na to lo nya ma ga hia ni olo nya e ko nya jiji lo nya tape nwita madogo va fiaro a nya jiefujo
ma wu fomu cho Volta region nya dievu jo ala gbagbaba mi la Ghana du ko ma fia mi va na ko ma samu mi moyo tafra mi asro ku mi agbo regio chi mi aji mi ma ko na ma to a la gbama wo mo blani ara ka pom na mi o mi jagbagba kaka mi ajo de school do go ha mi ma po do mi ajo mo po do o gazu agba chi mi aji mi ma nya la ka o ga mi ala o a black baraka manya 25 cedi 25 cedi mi ma po ga mi aflonwe regional road bali mo kotokura ka ye manya 6 million mi nya la ka mi o ga o de jo chi mi aji mi ma po na ma to mi a Volta rinja ko mi la mi nya nglo to kaka Ghana mi la kaka gba mi sa samba a ka ho na pomba mi la Ghana ta mo pomo o para maraka na mi o nya jievu joni dia ma fon dia ma ko ga ma fo suku ma fo jogba na junyo ha o Ghana mi la lenya ma la ko ba mi wo de jo ka to chi padomi na za dojia o vo gbamre mi aji na mi mlo mi ala domo la ko ba mi wo la Ghana du ko em tare agba mala duji ma fa shia pa fa sa sakpa hala bare agana ko mi la mi agana mi kata mi atoe Ghana manya marakato onyo aya tare na po na jujo fushi gbagbo na juju amajuju la Ghana manya to Ghana mi kata mi atoe tare ona jagbagba oje shero to po